Join me as I take on the challenge of budgeting like a pro and see if I can boost my savings to new heights. Creating a budget is often seen as a tedious task, but the truth is, it's a crucial step in achieving financial freedom. When done correctly, budgeting can lead to significant savings, reduced debt, and a whole lot less financial stress. So, why is it that so many of us struggle to create and stick to a budget? One of the main reasons is that we often get caught up in overspending. We see something we want, and before we know it, we've swiped our credit card and added another expense to our growing list of debts. Another common challenge is lack of organization. We might have the best of intentions, but when it comes to actually tracking our expenses and income, we fall short. This can lead to a feeling of being overwhelmed by our financial management, and before we know it, we've given up on budgeting altogether. And finally, many of us struggle to make budgeting a habit. We might start strong, but as the months go by, we lose momentum and fall back into our old spending habits. Despite these challenges, creating an effective budget is easier than you might think. The first step is to create a budget plan that works for you. This means taking stock of your income and expenses and making conscious decisions about where you want your money to go. Next, it's essential to track your expenses. This can be as simple as keeping a notebook or using an app to log your daily spending. By doing so, you'll be able to identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to your budget accordingly. Another crucial step is to set realistic savings goals. This might mean starting small and gradually increasing your savings over time. The key is to make your goals achievable, so you stay motivated and on track. One powerful budgeting tool that can dramatically change how you manage your finances is the 50-30-20 rule. This simple rule suggests that 50% of your income should go towards necessary expenses like rent and bills, 30% towards discretionary spending like entertainment and hobbies, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Another game changer is using budgeting apps like Mint or You Need a Budget. These apps make it easy to track your expenses, create a budget, and set savings goals, all in one place. And by using cashback and rewards credit cards, you can earn money back on your daily purchases, which can then be put towards your savings. By implementing these budgeting strategies, you can dramatically transform your financial health. You'll be able to save more, reduce debt, and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember, budgeting is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your budgeting tips in the comments below. If you're looking for more financial advice, be sure to check out my other video on managing debt.